Welcome to Laksha Saw Mill, Chikmagalur district. Laksha Saw Mill in Chikmagalur is one of the leading businesses in sawmills, also known for sawmills, vertical saw wholesalers and much more. Laksha Saw Mill is a top player in the category of sawmills in the Chikmagalur. This well-known establishment acts as a one-stop destination servicing customers both local and from other parts of Chikmagalur. Throughout its journey, this business has established a firm foothold in its industry. The belief that customer satisfaction is as important as their products and services has helped this establishment garner a vast base of customers, which continues to grow by the day. Laksha Sawmill are dealers in timbers, round logs and cut sizes, local BAVE tree, local HONNE tree, local TEAKWOOD, BURMA teak, red sal and white sal, GARIGE, MAVU, SAMPIGE, MATTI, NANDI, round logs and cut size woods etc. Get in touch with dealers and suppliers effortlessly and a wide range of products and services. For more information, please visit Laksha Saw Mill, Chikmagalur, Karnataka.